Welcome to GearUp Windows YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn on how to reset Windows Security app in Windows 11. After a short brief, you can see the steps to reset Windows Security app in Windows 11. Windows Security is a built-in app on Windows 11. It is not an antivirus or anti-malware application, but an information center. When you enable Microsoft Defender on your PC, it collects and reports device health and threat information. Then, you can take action, such as enabling additional security features and running security scans through Microsoft Defender. However, if the Windows Security application crashes or does not open properly, resetting or re-registering may solve the problem. In this GearUp Windows video, we will guide you through several ways to reset the built-in Windows Security app on Windows 11. You can reset the Windows Security app using built-in settings or PowerShell. Please note that regardless of the method you use to reset the Windows Security app, resetting will restore all its settings to their default values. How to reset the Windows Security through Windows 11 settings. Follow these steps to reset the Windows Security app using Windows 11 settings. Step 1. First, open Windows 11 settings. Step 2. Next, select Apps in the left sidebar. Step 3. Then, click on Installed Apps in the right sidebar. Step 4. In the Installed App Settings page, scroll down and click on the three dots menu beside the Windows Security entry. Step 5. Then, click on the Advanced options in the menu. Step 6. In the following screen, click the Reset option. Step 7. Again, click the Reset button when prompted. How to reset the Windows Security using PowerShell? To reset the Windows Security through PowerShell, use these steps. Step 1. Open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. To do that, open Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus or keys simultaneously on the keyboard. Then type PowerShell and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter on the keyboard. If prompted by UAC, click the Yes button. Step 2. Then, copy and paste the following command in the elevated Windows PowerShell and press Enter key on the keyboard. Get Axe package Microsoft.sec health UI all users, reset Axe package. That's it. If you have not yet subscribed to GearUp Windows channel yet, do hurry up. A lot of beautiful videos are waiting for you. Thanks.